Hello friends, welcome to Anirban's World of Digital Finance powered by S4HANA. I am Anirban and today in this video I am going to park a document and post the document. Also I will show how to hold a document. So first I will log into SAP. I will enter the user ID, I will enter the password. This is the SAP Easy Access screen. So if I want to enter a park document, the T code would be FV50. If I enter FV50, I'll go to the park in this screen. All right, and to go through the menu, it will be through accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry, and edit or park GL document. This will take me to the same screen. Now, even before I go to this topic and show you how to park a document or hold a document in SAP, let me spend some time to understand the concept behind this parking and holding a document. So, so if you see here the parking a document, when we are parking the document, and what is the situation when we hold the document? We park a document when we want to temporarily store a document for approval. So for example, the junior accountant will enter the document and park it for review from the senior accountant, and post his approval, the senior accountant will post the document, right? Whereas for holding the document, we hold a document for incomplete information. Once we get the full information, we post the document, right? So this is the concept of parking the document and holding the document. Now if we go back to SAP screen, if I come out of it, you will see that in here in this practice, this is a practice version of SAP. Here you can both enter the document and park the document, but in reality a person who would be parking the document won't be able to post the document. So one of his seniors should be able to review and post the document, right? So with this we entered into the screen FV50. If you can check the T code here as well, as mentioned before, FV50. All right, now let's see which document we are going to post or park rather as of now. So we are going to park this document. We will enter and park this document. So this is, we are paying cash of 50,000 for office expense. So office expense account debit to cash 50,000, and the reference number we would use is 23450. So going back here, so we will use the document date as the posting date. And the reference number we will use here as 23450. Document header text we will say office expense. We will take the office expense account which has already been created before, and this office expense is getting debited. The amount that we are going to enter is 50,000. And the text that we are to enter is office expense paid. Now we will pay this office expense through cash, so cash account would be created. We are creating the cash amount with the same amount, and we will pull the text from the previous line item. Now this we are going to simulate. So if you see, this is the document date, posting date, the period is April, fiscal year 2021, company code 234, office expense account debit to cash account 50,000. Now if I click here, I will be able to park this document. It is going to park status. Alright. So this is the document number which is generated, which is 8. So this is the last document we have posted in the previous video. So we are going to post this and change it to 8. So this is my park document. Now in order to post this document, what I should do is I'll go out of this, and now I am actually would be playing the role, doing a role play of the senior accountant. So the senior accountant would review this and they will post the document. So he will come to this parked documents and then they will delete this document. So I don't know, I will try to generate the list 234 fiscal year 2021. I'll try to generate the list here, and then I'll populate essay and I'll click on execute. So previously 2000, this 3 was previously there and this one is 8. Okay, so if I want to review this 8 as a senior accountant, I see that okay, I am reviewing this, and if I get information that 50,000 is not the correct amount, it should be probably, if I want to make any changes here, I can make it. Right now, suppose if everything is fine here, I will post the document. Right, so the senior accountant will review this and he will post the document. So he'll simulate it and then he will post the document. So it is now posted. So if you see, if you go back, this account 8 is not there, 3 is only there. So this is how you are actually parking the document, and then the person, senior accountant, will review the document and post the document. Right, now we are going to see how we are going to hold the document. So what we should do is that we will try to hold this document, enter this document, and like rent expense of 60,000 to be paid in cash, and we will try to enter and hold this document. So we'll go out of this screen. And we will try to post the document. So we will use this 8B50 to post the document, or rather hold the document. And we can also enter GL account document. So we will take this. Right, if you see, B50 is the transaction code. So the document that we are going to enter here is, we'll take the reference from here, from our master sheet, 34560. Document header text is rent expense. And then we have already created a rent expense account. So we will take this. So rent expense account will be debited and it would be by 60,000, or probably as of now we don't know what is the amount. We will go here, or probably we will enter something like 50,000, and then we go here and we say rent expense paid. We will enter the next line item, which is We'll pay it through cash, right? That's what we have shown here. We'll be paying it through cash, and the cash account will be created, and we put 50,000 here, and we go to text and we put a plus, right? And then we hit enter, and then what we should do is that we would want to hold the document. So I'll click on hold because I'm not too sure about I have got all the right information. So as of now, I'll hold the document. And there is a temporary document number that we should give. So we will say hold one. Right now we go out of the screen. We again come back, and we will look into the tree. You will see that there are hold held documents, and this is the one that we have actually held. So now we have got the complete information, and we may see that we want to change the amount to 60,000, and we put a star here. So you see we can change the amount to 60,000, and then after that we will post the document. See, document number 29 is 2009-29 is created. So we will go back here and populate this document number in the master sheet. So this is how we park a document, post a park document, and we also hold a document, right? So if you like this video, please like it, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.